What up, YouTube? Check it out. Today we're making pumpkin protein pancakes. 3 things: egg whites, pumpkin puree, and protein powder. Check it out.
I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can do my own thing. I can do my
Alright, guys. Here's the moment. Ghost Banana Pancake batter, pumpkin, and egg white. Now, if I do say overall, 10 out of 10. Allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, a must. The honey on top, absolutely killer. Wow. Three ingredient. Right there. 3 ingredient pumpkin protein pancakes. Egg whites. You got the vegan banana pancake batter from GHOST. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I did suggest earlier the vegan regular pancake batter. Put some bananas in there if you want to mash them up. Want a little more carbs. So protein lovers, or if you're just trying to get fit, 3 ingredients, super healthy for you. I mean, you could even throw in greens powder. If you've ever tried the GHOST, no, I'm not getting paid anyway. I do not work for them. I just love their brand, transparent. But it's got kind of a sweet smell, and it would be killer. I put it in my smoothies. But yeah, if you guys like it, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if I should do more videos like this. If you like the content, hit the subscribe and the little bell. It'll let you know next time I drop a video. Stay tuned.